Hello students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Omkar English Classes, and this video is going to be on future continuous tense. All the three parts have been included in the same video: affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence. Future continuous tense or future progressive tense. We can identify a sentence of future continuous with the help of the words in Hindi sentence रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे, रहा होगा, etc. This tense expresses the regularity or continuity of the action in future. Action is not complete. It is supposed that something will be going on in future. आने वाले टाइम में कुछ हो रहा होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वह बाजार में सब्जी बेच रहा होगा. He will be selling vegetables in market. चपरासी स्कूल में घंटी बजा रहा होगा. The peon will be ringing the bell in the school. Affirmative sentence. The formula is subject, will, shall. Will is used with the subjects he, she, it, this, that, name, and any other subjects. But shall is used with I and we. Then be, first form of the verb with ing because it is continuous tense, and object. Example, हम कल दिल्ली जा रहे होंगे. We shall be going to Delhi tomorrow. मैं उस समय खाना खा रहा हूँगा. I shall be eating food that time. वे मैदान में क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे. They will be playing cricket in the ground. Negative sentence. Formula is subject, will, shall, not, be. Students, this is important to see that after will, shall, we will use not, and after not, we will use be. Means the helping verb will not be, shall not be. First form of the verb with ing and object. Example, बच्चे कक्षा में शोर नहीं मचा रहे होंगे. Children will not be making a noise in the class. पुलिस चोर का पीछा नहीं कर रही होगी. Police will not be chasing the thief. We can also write police will not be running after the thief. Both are correct. धोबी मेरे कपड़े नहीं धो रहा होगा. The washerman will not be washing my clothes. Interrogative sentence. Formula of yes, no type. Will, shall, subject, not, if need. If not comes, we will put after subject. Then be, first form of the verb with ing, object. Example, will the stars be shining in the sky? Shall I be playing on flute? Now, formula of WH type sentence. Question word, will, shall, subject, not if need. B. First form of the verb with ing. Object. Example. How will the goldsmith be making a ring? Who will be teaching you English? Students, with who we use will be directly because there is no subject in the sentence where who is used. So who is a subject also and a question word also. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verbs and helping verbs. Students, fill future continuous helping verb and verbs in the blanks given and send it to me.
Students, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel and press the bell icon if not pressed. Students, one by one and slowly I will prepare important videos on this YouTube channel to make you understand more and more about grammar. Further, I will also explain many types of grammar topics like passive voice, indirect speech, prepositions, modals, etc. You will find more and more. Thank you. Have a nice day.